Remember our discussion about how the CDV vacuum chamber can help you avoid conflicts with distributors due to spills during transportation? Today, I'd like to introduce more benefits that might convince your CFO to approve the purchase of a CDV for leak testing.
Yes, I remember. What arguments can I present?
First off, you can mention that by using the CDV, you can identify and address potential defects early in the production process. This not only extends the product's life, but also prevents packaging defects from turning into costly issues like waste, rework, and customer complaints, as well as increasing the risk of contamination.
That sounds compelling. Early defect detection is crucial to protect our brand's reputation.
Exactly. Imagine the negative impact if a recall of your products were to appear in the news due to contamination. This is a serious risk, especially in the production of pharmaceutical or medical products. The CDV helps reduce the risk of market recalls. Your CFO will see it as a strategic investment in your company's future and reputation.
Indeed, that would be catastrophic for our business. But tell me, since we use various types of packaging for our products, does your vacuum chamber accommodate different packaging types?
Absolutely, James. Stay tuned, and I'll explain everything in our next video. Don't miss our exclusive leak testing video series. Upon registration, you will receive immediate access and a PDF guide that summarizes everything you need to know about our CDV vacuum chambers.